Good morning, as agreed. Today I want to discuss with you how RLTOp, Tamil Nadu Regulation of Rights and Responsibilities of Landlord and Tenants Act 2017. The power for landlord that as it contains under Tamil Nadu Buildings Lease and Rent Control Act, here section 21, same, a tenant shall not be evicted during the continuance of tenancy agreement except in accordance with the provision of subsection 2. Subsection 2, they number say the rent court may on application order for recovery of the possession on one hour of the following. Number 1, that the landlord and tenant have failed to enter into an agreement under subsection 2 or section 4. So simply they file stating that the agreement has not been entered into or not renewed. See, it is the duty of the landlord, though they say both the landlord and tenant shall revoke the tenancy, but if we want to invoke section 21(2), then what it says, it will the landlord duty must that he made an attempt for continuance of agreement and the landlord tenant did not cooperate unless and until is substantially proved, section 4(3), then he is not entitled to invoke section 21 subclass 2. That is most important. He says even section 4 tenancy agreement chapter 2 says the application shall not be rejected unless the parties have been given an opportunity of being heard. So there must be an opportunity as to why this agreement was not accepted. Therefore, it is must duty of your one of the main ground to oppose section 2 of 21 must be that the landlord has not substantially proved under what steps he had taken to renew on his part to renew the agreement and how the tenant did not cooperate. So merely simply stating that agreement has not been extended, that on that score itself they cannot evict the tenant. This is must. Thereafter, so far other provisions are concerned about payment of rent. That may be payment of rent may be paid on immediately before that authority then that is what they say. Thereafter, all the other provisions are related to then the most important thing is that 106 Transfer of Property Act subsection 4 and also holding over tenancy. That this is what they say, the tenancy agreement shall continue under section 5. Tenant may approach the landlord for renewal of extension of tenancy. Then it is duty of the tenant. When landlord claims that the tenant did not renew the agreement, it is his duty to under what circumstances he has taken steps for renewal of the agreement and the tenant did not cooperate. Then the question of 4A3 says, when landlord has not demanded possession of vacant possession and the end of such tenant shall be deemed to be renewed a month to month based on the same terms and conditions expiry agreement for maximum period of 6 months. These all are the most important thing you must keep in mind at present for Landlord and Tenancy Regulation Act, that is called RLT. So for other cases are concerned, I will discuss with you with a specific point whenever it comes to my notice. Best wishes.